I'm Kurt Loder with MDTV News. In today's news, with the Gulf Coast in the middle of hurricane season, MDTV News is taking a look back at the orderly evacuation of UT Houston in September of 2005.
Excuse me? Okay. Are we live? This is Shannon McManama, MDTV News, reporting live from the LRC during the Hurricane Katrina evacuation. Let's see if we can interview somebody. I'm gonna go ask her. Excuse me. Excuse me. There's a massive evacuation. You have to get out.
But we have tests.
No, you have to go.
Okay.
This way, right here, this way. Hurry. Let's go, this way. Hurricane, we need to get out, Let's go.
Hey, excuse me. Let's go. What are you doing for the evacuation? What are you going to do about your schoolwork? Oh, God! Apparently the evacuation worked. LRC is safe. Shannon McManama signing off.
To prepare for this year's hurricane season, UT Houston is testing their new floodproof submarine doors. Let's see how they're doing.
I'm Tara, your field correspondent with MDTV News, and we're down in the Anatomy Lab at UT Houston testing out the weather preparedness doors that have been put in place since Tropical Storm Allison. I'm here with our weather specialist, Chuck, who's going to be testing the doors for us. Chuck, go ahead.
I'm Kurt Loder. You can catch us at 10 to the hour, every hour, here on MDTV.